Dear learners, hope you all are well. At this moment, we all are passing a very critical time because of COVID 19. COVID 19 has dropped all over the world. So, to get rid of this virus, we must stay at home, wash our hand with soap and hand sanitizer. I know your studies is lagging behind because our educational institution has been closed for a long time. So the authority has arranged online class. So dear learners, I am going to take an English second paper class for class 7. Let's enjoy the class. I am Narayan Chandropal, assistant teacher, Arashuni Government Secondary School. Dear learners, look at the following picture and read the sentences. You can see two pictures here and some sentences. Read the sentences. The road is very large. The road is not very small. Picture 2. They are happy. They are not unhappy. So dear learners, can you guess what kind of sentences are they? Yes, dear learners, the first one is affirmative and the number second is negative. So dear learners, can you guess what am I going to teach you? Yes, our today's topic is changing sentence, affirmative to negative. Learning outcomes. Student can be able to format affirmative sentences, format negative sentences, change affirmative to negative, change negative to affirmative. Affirmative to negative. Dear learners, look at the picture and sentence. You can see a picture, a man, and a sentence, only he can do the work. If any affirmative sentence has only and only indicate person, only he can do the, or only indicate person, only he. If indicate person, we use none but in place of only. We use none but in place of only. If only indicate person. Next example. The learners, only Allah can help us. Only indicate Allah. So, the negative form, none but Allah can help us. So, dear learners, if only indicate person, we use none but in place of only. Again, two example. Only he can play well. only he can play well. What is the negative form? Yes, none but he can play well. Alone, only or alone, the same. Alone you are permitted to go. So the negative form, none but you are permitted to go. So dear learners, next rule. Look at the picture. There are two pictures on the monitor. You all know about the picture. Ice cream. Ice cream is thing, bostu. If only indicate thing, only যদি কোনো বস্তুকে নির্দেশ করে, we use nothing but in place of only. We use nothing but in place of only. If only indicate anything, we use nothing but in place of only. So he likes only ice cream. Negative form, he likes nothing but ice cream. Next example. Dear learners, you will see another pictures. He likes only fuska. Fuska, things. The name of food item. It is junk food. Fuska. Junk food is very unhealthy. Unhealthy kor ekta khadyo. He likes only fuska. So the negative form, only indicate fuska. Fuska is a thing. So we use nothing but in place of only. So the negative sentence is he likes nothing but fuska. Dear learners, see the more affirmative sentence. I like to eat only junk food. So the negative form is I like to eat nothing but junk food. He likes to drink only milk. Only indicate milk. So what is the negative form? Yes, he likes to drink nothing but milk. Next, see another rule. Dear learners, if only indicate number or age, if only indicate number or age, we use not more than or not less than in place of only. They are only 13 years old. So only indicate 13. They are only 13 years old. So the negative form is they are not more than 13 years old. Another picture. It is only 50 kg. It is only 50 kg. So the negative form, it is not more than 50 kg. It is not more than 50 kg. Because only indicate number. Only indicate number. Dear learners, you see two pictures here. We must love our mother. We have to love our mother. If any affirmative sentence has must, have to, has to according to subject, and if we turn the sentence into negative form, we use cannot but in place of must, have to, has to. So the negative form, we cannot but love our mother. যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে মাস্ট থাকে, হ্যাভ টু থাকে অথবা হ্যাজ টু থাকে, থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার থাকলে এখানে হ্যাজ টু হতো, এখানে ফার্স্ট পারসন আছে, হ্যাভ টু অথবা মাস্ট যে কোনো একটা থাকতে পারতো, তাহলে আমরা কি করব, আমরা মাস্ট, হ্যাভ টু, হ্যাজ টু উঠে যে ওইখানে আমরা ক্যান নট বাট ব্যবহার করব। Let's say another example. You must অথবা you have to help the poor. So the negative form, you cannot but help the poor. If any affirmative sentence must, have to, has to, negative form, in place of must, have to, has to, we use cannot but. So dear learners, if any affirmative sentence had to, we use in place of had to, we use could not but. Had to past form, so the negative form could not but. We had to do our duties, so the negative form, we could not but do our duties. If any affirmative sentence has always, the negative form, we use never, and the main node turn into opposite meaning. Remember, forget. I shall always remember you. In place of always, we use never, and main node turn into opposite meaning. I shall always remember you. I shall never forget you. So আমি তোমাকে সর্বদা মনে রাখব, আমি তোমাকে কখনো ভুলবো না। In place of always, we use never, and main word remember, opposite meaning forget. Dear learners, everybody loves flower. If any sentence started with every, we use there is no in place of every. There is no plus attached word every attached word body. So the negative form, in place of every, we use there is no attached word body. There is no body. Before verb, we use but. Before verb, we use but. So the negative form, there is nobody but loves flower. There is nobody but love flower. আমরা কি করলাম, এভরি থাকলে আমরা এভরি পরিবর্তে বসালাম দেয়ার ইজ নো অ্যাটাচ হলো বডি, অ্যাটাচ বসে গেল বডি, আর ভার্বের আগে আমরা বাট বসাবো। দেয়ার ইজ নো বডি বাট লাভ ফ্লাওয়ার। Every mother loves her child. What is the negative form? Yes. There is no attached mother. There is no mother. Before verb we use but. But lecture child. There is no mother but lecture child. The student, you can see three pictures here: meat, fish. If an affirmative sentence has both and, if any affirmative sentence has both and, the negative form, in place of both, we use not only. In place of and, we use but also. In place of both, we use not only. In place of and, we use but also. So the negative form, I like not only meat but also fish. Dear learners, if and join to object, to verb, to subject, join with and if we want to make the sentence into negative form, we use first noun egg, vegetables. আমরা এগের আগে not only আর and এর স্থলে আমরা but also ব্যবহার করে আমরা সেটাকে নেগেটিভ করতে পারি। যদি দুইটা ওয়ার্ড and দ্বারা যুক্ত থাকে, প্রথম ওয়ার্ডের আগে আমরা not only এবং and এর জায়গায় but also ব্যবহার করে আমরা সেটাকে নেগেটিভ করতে পারি। So the negative form, I want to eat not only egg, and এর স্থলে আমরা বসাবো হলো but also vegetables. যখন দুইটা সাবজেক্ট বা দুইটা অবজেক্ট and দ্বারা যুক্ত থাকে, তখন প্রথম সাবজেক্টের আগে বা প্রথম অবজেক্টের আগে আমরা and এবং and প্রথম সাবজেক্টের আগে বা প্রথম অবজেক্টের আগে আমরা not only এবং and এর স্থলে আমরা but also ব্যবহার করে নেগেটিভ করতে পারি। Another example, they like playing and reading. They like playing and reading. So the negative form, they like not only playing but also reading. They like not only playing but also reading. They like not only playing but also reading. So dear learners, another example, another rule. If any affirmative sentence started with as soon as, the negative form is in place of as soon as we use notional had. In place of comma we use then. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. In place of as soon as we use notional had. In place of comma we use then. So the negative form, no sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. So dear learners, we have discussed the rules of affirmative to negative. So if we want to negative to affirmative, the same rule. আমরা যদি নেগেটিভ থেকে অ্যাফার্মেটিভ করতে চাই, তাহলে আমরা যেহেতু অ্যাফার্মেটিভ থেকে নেগেটিভ যেভাবে হয়েছে, নেগেটিভ থেকে আমরা উল্টাভাবে আমরা অ্যাফার্মেটিভ করতে পারব। So dear learners, I am going to give you some homework. Open your khata and write down in your khata. Since the sentences as directed, we must obey our parents. Negative. None but he can deny the matter. Affirmative. They like to play nothing but cricket. Affirmative. I like both banana and apple. Negative. No sooner had I reached the station than the train left. Affirmative. You must try it at home. I think you can easily solve it. So dear learners, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. See you again.